Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn about the single tap or double tap in React Native. So basically whenever we do in the Instagram like single tap or double tap, the heart is gonna be like red and then white. I'm going to do with this help of this also in the next video, but currently we are going to just detect the double tap on the single tap on the app only. Okay, so if I click on the single tap, you can see there is a single tap detected. Okay, and you can see that the double tap count is 0 currently. So if I go with the double tap, here you can see double tap detected and the count is 1. If I go with a single tap, there is no count is updated. When I do with a double tap, you can see double tap is count by 2. So on the behalf of this, you can add the logic. Okay, whatever you want to redirect to the some pages or something else, you can do like this. So what I have done, let me show you the code. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's see how we have done this. So here we have the code. It's very easy, very simple, nothing I have using the package or something. So just React and the use state from the React, touch opacity text view alert from the React Native. So these are the states which initialize to be 0. Okay, there is a double tap, handle double tap. So current time we will getting on the time. So current time and the last press. Okay, so these are the two parameters which I'm taking up. And if there is a delay of 3 seconds, okay, so here we have the 3. Okay, so delay is 3 seconds, and if the delta, here you can see that the delta and the delay. Okay, then double tap is detected. Okay, if it is delta is delay is less than the delta, that the current time and the last press, on the behalf of it I have set the count to be 1. That means double tap is detected. If there is nothing, there is only single tap, there is a no delay, then we will show you the alert that is single tap is detected. So on the behalf of the time, you can see that the what will the current time and the last press. Okay, so this is basically the state that we have, that is by default it is 0. Okay, so on the behalf of it we are just calculating and increment that one, and on the behalf of it we are showing the alert. So you can do the rest of the things over here. Okay, and set the last press current time over here. Okay, and in the last view we are just touchable hospitality, handle press, handle double tap, flex, design. Okay, and the text is double tap. If double tap is there, then the count is present over here. Okay, so this is how, this is very simple and the very easy, I think, without doing any kind of packages. In the next video we're trying to make some like Instagram double tap heart shape to be red and white in the next video. Let's see how we are going to do that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand the main logic. Okay, so whenever you have a double tap or single tap, so how you can detect that one. So I think you are a little bit clear on the logic what we have to add. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.